Hi there! In today's video, I will show you how to share access to your camera TP-Link C325WB. Let's get started. So as a first step, we would need to open our camera in the TP application and here click on the settings icon at the right upper corner. Then as a next step, scroll down until you'll find this tab which is named Share Device. Here we would need to click on this button Share at the lower part of your phone. And as a next step, we would need to enter the person that you would like to share the access with. We would need to enter their email or TP-Link ID. So I have copied the email and I'll paste it here and click share. After this, on the phone that you have sent the invitation will come this notification, which is saying that you got a shared device. Now, to accept it, we would need to open the TP app and click on this notification button. Here, we would need to click view details, and here we can decline or accept. By clicking accept, you'll get the access to the camera and you'll be able to see what is happening. And if you will give the rights to the person will be also able to manage it. And this is how it looks. Now I have one camera on both phones. And that's it. If you would like to stop sharing device with anyone, we would need to go to our main phone, then go to the settings and again find a tab which is named Share Device. Click on it, here choose the person that you would like to delete and here click delete. And after this the user will have no longer access to the camera. We can also check it. I'll go to my home and here refresh page. And the camera disappeared. And this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.